Example 2. Jerry wishes to measure the distance across the Big Muddy Road. He determines that angle C is 112.90 degrees, angle A is 31.10 degrees, and side B is 347.6 feet. Find the distance across the river. Okay, so what you might do is draw out the triangle. They've already drawn it for you. But in your diagram, you might notice that we have an angle and a side and an angle. We've got angle, side, angle. And so angle, side, angle would tell me that this is case 1, and we know we're using the law of sines. Okay? So that's a big deal. Case 1, we know we're going to be using the law of sines. Find the distance across the river. So the distance across the river is this distance right here, A. So normally what I'll do is I'll start with what I'm trying to find. A over sine A equals, since we have B, we do B over sine B. Little b over sine B. Okay? Maybe you don't need to write that. Maybe you skip that step and go A over sine, and we know angle A is 31.10. That's going to equal, little b is 347.6 feet over sine of angle B. Angle B, we don't have angle B yet, do we? Angle B is over here, okay? But it's pretty easy to find angle B because we already know 2 of the angles, and we know the angles should add up to 180. So we've got 31.1 plus 112.9 plus whatever angle B is equals 180. So you should be able to add those and subtract from 180. B is going to equal 36. This angle right here is 36. And so there was an intermediate step that we had to figure out, but it's pretty easy to figure that out. Angle B is 36 degrees there. So there's our law of sines, okay? Law of sines. And so then to solve this, you would cross multiply. Okay? You want to isolate the variable. And so maybe you think of cross multiplying. Maybe it's easier just to think about multiplying both sides by sine 31.1 degrees. And so A is going to equal whatever that turns out to be. So let's pull out a calculator and let's just check it out. Okay, make sure you're in degrees here. So we have 347.6 times sine 31.1 divided by sine 36. Good. 305.5 feet. 305.5 feet. You might notice this problem has 4 significant figures, and so that's why I rounded off to 4 sig figs. I guess you could round off to 0.46 if you didn't care about sig figs, but we got the distance across that river is 305.5 feet.